there's a lot of human factors that go into this. And can you go a bit deeper into that?
Yeah, absolutely. So one of the points that I see several different companies uh, doing a very bad communication in terms of what DevOps is or what machine learning is. It's just about automation and remove the human factor on the loop. But I disagree with this vision, because if we start to think deeply, everything in terms not only DevOps or machine learning, for everything in terms of software engineering, it's about the people itself. And why I'm telling that, it's that, for example, for you to include some kind of culture of automation inside of your company, you need to have, for example, some kind of influence of your organization to do that. So you need to have the environment for that. And environment are made of people. So if you want to, for example, to do some kind of orchestration of your services using, for example, Mesos or Airflow or whatever, or dot science, for instance, it's not about the tool itself. It's about, okay, so the person that have the knowledge to how to explore this tool the maximum that can enhances the whole process, the whole ML process inside of the company itself. It's not only, for example, okay, so do the best script and that's over. So it's not like that. Everything is about, it's about the human factors in the end of the day. So, and not only, for example, in terms of the skills, but in terms of the environment, in terms of the culture. So this is a very important. Of course, for example, supervision, for example, this can be a very good example. For instance, if your team has some kind of if your team doesn't have some kind of a decision maker, for example, in terms of stack, like, okay, so let's decide, one example, machine learning. Let's decide right now what's the tool that we are going to use to do some kind of text classification. So if we don't have the decision maker, so this can be some kind of holacracy that everyone has an opinion, and this can lead, for example, some kind of chaos inside the team, and this can lead to a problem. So that even with the best tools or all the automation that you want to have, the human factor at the end of the day would be the difference between the chaos and in terms of the reliability of your services.